Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to search for someone on Cash App. Start by opening the Cash App mobile application on your phone. Once the app opens, you'll be taken to the home page. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon there. Tap on that icon to go to your profile section. This page contains settings and personal options related to your Cash App account. Scroll down through the profile page. There are several options here, but the one we need is called Invite Friends. Tap on it. At this point, Cash App will ask you for permission to access your phone's contact list. This is important. Go ahead and allow access. By giving permission, Cash App can check which people in your phone contacts are already using Cash App. Once access is granted, you'll be able to see a list of contacts who have linked their phone numbers with a Cash App account. If the person you're looking for is in your phone's contact list and uses Cash App, their name should now appear. If the person you're trying to find is not in your contact list, or you just want to search directly by phone number, you can try another method. Go back to the home screen of the app. On this page, look for the magnifying glass icon. This icon represents the search function. Tap on it. A search bar will appear. Here, you can enter the phone number of the person you're trying to find. Make sure you type it correctly. If that number is linked to a Cash App account, their profile should appear. You can then send them money, request money, or view their profile if it is available to you. That's it. By the way, if you're tired of Cash App's limits when it comes to finding or sending money to people, I highly recommend Wise. It's the app I personally use. With Wise, you can send money quickly within the US or to friends and family abroad, and the fees are way lower than what banks or Cash App charge. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that you can use online or in person anywhere in the world. Creating an account is completely free and only takes a few minutes. Right now, there's even a special offer. Sign up using the link in the description and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. So, if you want a faster, cheaper and smarter way to send money, click the link below, open your free Wise account and grab your $800 transfer today.